In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through eBay with ease, specifically focusing on how to log out of your account securely. Whether you're using a shared computer or simply wanting to ensure that your session is concluded securely, these steps are essential. Let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step. First, you'll want to go to eBay's website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing eBay's web address into the search bar, or you might already have it bookmarked for quick access. Once you land on the website's homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't visited lately. This will help you easily locate your profile settings. Now, in order to log out, we need to head over to your profile. Typically, you will find your profile icon or your account name displayed in the top right corner of the page. This might be represented by a silhouette icon or your name if you are logged in. Go ahead and click on this profile area. Doing so will reveal a drop-down menu with several options related to your account. Among the options in this drop-down menu, look for the one that says Sign Out. It's usually among the last options listed, making it easy to identify. Clicking Sign Out will initiate the logout process. You'll notice the page will refresh or redirect you back to the home page, and this confirms that you have successfully signed out of your account. It's a quick process, but a crucial one, especially for maintaining your account's security. Logging out after using eBay, especially on public or shared devices, is a great habit to form. This not only helps protect your personal information, but also prevents unauthorized access to your account. If you're someone who tends to forget, consider setting a reminder or sticky note nearby until it becomes second nature. And there you have it, you're all done. By following these simple steps, you've ensured that your eBay account is secure when you're not using it. Remember, staying logged in on shared devices isn't recommended as it might lead to unwelcome issues. In the same vein, make sure whenever you log back in that you have safely stored your password or use a password manager for added security. Thank you for joining me in this quick tutorial on signing out of eBay. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video or subscribe for even more guides that help make your online experience safer and more enjoyable. Until next time, take care and happy browsing.